Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, fine. Today we will start our next topic. Our first chapter is complete, that is matter in our surroundings. And in that chapter what we have done? Matter, anything which occupies space and having mass is called matter. Now this matter is pure or impure. How can you say this? Let's take some examples. I am taking this board. Is it pure? How? You just see. You can see its green color everywhere, same it's green. So you will say it is pure. There is no mixing of anything. But when we will break this board, then what will happen? There will be many materials mixed to make this rough, tough and hard. Okay. Same, you can go to your kitchen and check. If you are taking pulses, rice, etc., then when you see that, you say it is pure. But when you clean that thing, then you find there some type of small pebbles, husks, etc. So, is that pure? No, it was not pure. There was mixing of some other materials that we don't want in that thing. Same can happen if you are taking pulses and there are some rice in that. That time you can also say this pulses is not pure. You go to market and bring ghee or milk. Okay. So when you see milk, is it pure? How you check? You just see that is the milk is giving good cream on boiling, on heating, and its taste is good, then it is pure. But milk is also not pure because milk is not made of single particle. It contains some water, okay, next fats, proteins, sugars, etc. That means the substance which we see is looking like pure is not always pure. For purity of honey, I told you in chapter 1. How we can check? When we put honey in water, if it will make a streak line in water, then it is pure. But if it not make and on mixing, it starts to dissolve, it is impure. So, matters can be pure or impure. So this is our second chapter. So our lesson 2 in chemistry is matter around us pure? So this is our second chapter. In this chapter you will find substances can be pure or impure. If they are pure, then what kind of substances they are made of? And if they are impure, what are they called and what are the mixing in that substances? Same time we will study how to make pure that substances. Means from a mixture, how can we separate different type of things by different methods. And one topic that you have studied from your previous classes 6 to 8 also studies, that is physical and chemical change, that we will also take in this chapter. Okay. One example we have take of milk, one of honey, one of pulses and rice. Now listen. The things which we are getting in pulses, rice, etc., which we don't want, that are called adulterants. In 6th class you studied this term. If you don't remember, then again check. For example, in haldi or turmeric. In turmeric powder, what you see? Yellow powder. But this yellow powder can be pure or impure because some colored substances or colored powder are mixed to give it a good color. That yellow color of turmeric powder can be light, dark or very dark. Okay. Chili powder. Red chili powder you take. Is it pure? Maybe. Again, mixing of colored substances is done in this to make it more colorful. When you put this powder in vegetable, then it gives a good color to that also. So, these type of things which are not useful, these are called adulterants. Cardamom, small elaichi that we see green colored. In this also adulterants are present. What we put in that? Seeds of lemon, big lemon, citrus fruit seeds like orange seed, lemon seed. These are put in this to increase the weight of substance, to increase the quantity of substance. Then what will happen? If you are taking 10 pieces, out of that 3 or 4 are not of your use, they are adulterant, then what will happen? Shopkeeper will get more benefit. So that's why these adulterants are mixed here. Okay. Now I think you understand this properly, that what are adulterants and why they are mixed. Adulterants we don't want, but sometimes we have to add something to other to make it useful. For example, if you are making a dish, you have to make a kheer at home. Then what will you do? You will take rice, you will mix milk to that, dry fruits to that, sugar. Okay, then only it will be tasty and you are able to eat it properly. Otherwise what happen? Pure milk only cannot make, pure rice cannot make. We have to mix that things. And to increase flavor or taste, we can add much more things in that. That means pure and impure substances are useful or harmful for us, and we have to make that according to our need. So that we can separate them also after the use, or to use them separately, we can separate them also. Okay. So tomorrow in detail I will start your chapter. Thank you.